Jeg ved ikke. Så tager bare det.
Hvor er der her? Ja, 2 bord. Okay, så hænger jeg lige bord til.
2.
Okay, they were waiting to be an audience and also went.
Gør det?
Det er ikke helt heldigt.
Det er lidt der skilte der. Ja. Skal vi ikke have rykket lidt tilbage også?
Jo, det tror jeg også.
Oh.
It's not all good that the solution kind of looks more complicated.
Vi sidder heroppe. Det er King Kong.
Måske.
Måske han skal mere derhen, fordi det er lidt farligt at gå ind. Man bliver lidt bange for...
De burde bare have en æg i stedet for. Så kontrollere det hele.
And the Lego lovers will tell us.
Yeah, we have built both the solution and the issue in Lego, and here we have the issue, which is the original structure of the cantina, and we have set poses on different points in the cantina, which represents different areas, and we have used it to kind of illustrate the different problems that we found during our research. The main issue that we wanted to kind of handle was the busyness in when having a lot of people illustrated here that goes into the cantina and in and out of the same entrance, and not using this other door
And
at
how
all.
do we see that as a problem?
We see it in the placement of the people.
Ah,
So of course it's not quite self-explanatory, but it has to be explained. And that's the main issue. Now here we have the solution, or one of possible solutions, and that is to make these swing machines that kind of blocks customers to enter that way. So in that order, the customers who are mainly sitting in this area are forced to enter at this point and go out at this point. And the idea behind that is to show one solution and then make possible people that are meant to see it, that they can think further around the problem and then see if that's the solution, or can come up with new ideas. Perhaps should the cash registers be put at this point, so that people would enter here and more naturally exit here. It could be another solution. So, and of course, if you have a client, you can move around with the pieces together with the client, and then visually illustrate the concepts. So, and then we have all the smaller issues, like where the trays are to place the food on, and other smaller minor issues. So that's the main point.
We were also talking about we could have a quick cashier. So if people only wanted soda or some candy or a coffee, they could use the quick line. Or if they, on the other hand, would like some hot food or some sandwiches, they could go in the other line. But yeah.
So do we have 2 volunteers who would try to, because this is clearly a prototype of the solution, so I imagine that you will have to look at the problems and then see if you could manipulate this in a way that would modify the solution you suggest, something like that.
Yeah.
Do we have 2 volunteers who will spoil this prototype because of the other ideas you get?
It's perfect.
No, it's perfect. It's just perfect. No, I think that there must be something. You stand there. You could go. Do it. No. It is perfect. Or it's just not inviting to do anything. So it's simply
I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't.
So now we have more audience here.
Yeah.
So maybe you want to try this. Could you give a brief explanation again, so that, because I mean the titles and the words are in English, so it should be.
I'm just filming, so you know if it's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Well, yeah, we have this concept over a cantina area, redesign of the cantina here in the university, and we kind of made some sketches here with Lego of the issues in the cantina and some of the possible solutions. And this area is kind of representing the basic existing structure of the cantina, and here we have the altered version. And here we have illustrated the problems with people crashing in the queue in the busy times in the cantina, where we found the main issue that we wanted to work with was that people are both entering and going out again from the cantina at the same entrance and not using the back entrance. So we thought of different solutions for handling that, and one of them is to make these kind of swing exits at this one end, so it's only possible for people to go through them. These kind of metro bars that you can walk into, and then they open one way, and that makes it only possible for people to exit this way. So that will naturally force people to go this way around and go out this way. Another way would be to change the way the cash registers is, and then put them at this point so that people more naturally would go over here and exit here. And the idea behind using Lego is that with possible clients we can make a discussion of what they think and other possible solutions, and then they could move around with the pieces and try to